Hi everybody, it's Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the Facebook like box on your website with the new Page plugin. If you hadn't heard the news already, Facebook is phasing out the traditional like box with a newer, more streamlined Page plugin app. It's just a little bit prettier and also gives Facebook more real estate on your website. Here's an example of the one that I've installed on my page, and people can like and share your page directly from the plugin, see if their friends have liked it, and scroll down to see your latest posts. All like boxes will be replaced by the Page plugin on June the 23rd, so you don't have to do anything, but there's no harm in getting in ahead of the game, and by taking care of the installation yourself, you ensure that everything works just as it should, and you can customize the appearance of the plugin just as you like. So the first thing you need to do is come to the Page plugin website. If you search Facebook Page plugin on Google, you'll find this page, and I'll also link the address below. And when you're here, all you need to do is enter the URL of your page, select the width that you want your Page plugin to be, and the height, and then choose from the options available, such as showing the faces of friends who like your page, whether you want your cover photo to show, and whether you want a stream of your recent page posts to appear below. When you're done, just hit Get Code, and then you'll need to include the JavaScript SDK in the body section of your website, and then the code for the plugin itself wherever you want it to appear on your website. Just copy and paste these, and that's all there is to it. Thanks very much for watching, and goodbye.